Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What was that? Weird. Okay. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. To all my OG subscribers that are watching this right now, hi, thank you so much for clicking and checking out my channel again. It has been such a long time since I've been back, and it's been a year since my last uploaded video, and honestly it's been about 2 to 3 years since I actually have been consistent with my uploads here on my channel. 2020 has been horrible. We are going through a lot actually, but I also decided that this year I'm going to take YouTube seriously again, so here I am, and I decided to come back with a challenging video. I've never really done transformation videos before, and I think it's very popular here on YouTube, so for this video, it's going to be the first of 3, and it is going to be the Trendy Girls series. I really only learned about them very recently and through my sister. With that being said, I really did try my best, and I hope you enjoy this video. I haven't done makeup in a long time, and what I mean by that is like full-on makeup, so I'm probably going to be a little bit slow and really not very good at this. This isn't a tutorial or anything, this is just a fun video, so let's go ahead and get started. I am going to prime my face with this Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I have the travel size version, and I found out about this when I watched Jeffree Star being transformed to the cover of his cremated palette, and Lipstick Nick actually used this primer for him, and I tried this out. It's amazing. It actually makes your makeup last so long, and like it says it's a grip primer. It is a grip primer. It really hangs on to your makeup really well, makes it last. So if I look down, it's because the monitor is down here, and then I have a mirror over here on this side as well. I'm going to follow up with the Il Makiage foundation, and I am in the color 100. I don't know if you've seen this on Instagram, but that's how I found out about it. And then I'm going to mix it with this ILIA Super Serum Skin Tint, and I am in the shade... What shade am I? I'm not sure, but I will write it in the description box. What I love about this Il Makiage foundation is it's very good coverage, but it feels lightweight on the skin. And mixing it with the ILIA foundation gives you a very nice dewy finish. I honestly don't know if this but this video is gonna be any good, like makeup-wise. I am going to try my best though. I actually practiced a look before I filmed, but I'm not actually doing the look that I did when I practiced. I'm going to try something simpler. I think that's good enough. Can't really tell. I hope so. Anyways, let's talk about e-girls. Okay, sorry, I had to stop because of technical difficulties. So I just used a concealer on my left eye. I used the Tarte Creaseless Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Medium Neutral. I like this concealer because it's perfect for my under eye. Because it's a creaseless concealer, it doesn't really move and doesn't crease as much for me. So yeah, I've been using this a lot actually. Feels kind of weird filming again, and Our setup is so complicated right now because, we haven't really, my husband and I, we work together on this, and we haven't really filmed in such a long time that everything is it's from scratch. And we're kind of working on what works, what doesn't work. So hopefully you'll subscribe if you're new here, or keep on watching to see the saga of this whole video filming situation. I decided to come back on YouTube because I felt the passion to film again, and it's a creative outlet, and that's always good. In the beginning of this year and last year, I was working so much, and the past few years where I haven't been here on YouTube, I've really just been working and obviously living life too, like traveling a lot. I have a lot of travel videos that I want to do, but there's so much footage that we have to go through that it's not very easy to make a video of the trips that we've been on. But if you do follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen like the photos from the trips that we went to. By the way, I made a separate Instagram account, and it's called It's maricarljanah, and that's going to be purely just YouTube related, social media promotions and things like that. My personal account is going to be maricarljanah. So if you would be so nice to follow me on It's maricarljanah, I really would appreciate it. I'm going to be posting like promotions of videos and things like that, collaborations or work stuff. So yeah, I hope to see you there. So now that I have the concealer on, I think the base is pretty much good. I have this Tartelette Flirt palette, and it has a bunch of like really nice natural shades. So I think I'm going to start with like this all over color. I'm just going to put it all over my lid, and I'm just going to use the mirror on this palette, honestly. Now what I want to do is I want to just lay this color on top of the concealer that I laid on my lids to prevent creasing, and so that it's easier for me to blend colors on my lids. I'm going to be really sloppy with this, let's be honest. This isn't going to be like perfect. I'm not a makeup artist anymore. I'm so behind on makeup, honestly. But while we're doing this, how are you guys? What's changed? I mean, I'm sure a lot has changed in the past 5 years. Some of my OG viewers would comment on my videos, and they're already like working. When they started watching me, they were in high school or college, and that just blows my mind. I think that that's so cool that, you started watching me at such a young age, and then you're like an adult now. Is that weird to say? But yeah, I really am like mind blown by that. But I truly appreciate all my viewers that still stick around. And a lot of them actually have YouTube channels now too, which is amazing, and I'm so happy. YouTube has become such a big thing worldwide, but especially in the Philippines. And I started YouTube when it wasn't even, I couldn't even monetize my videos yet because it wasn't available in the Philippines. And I had fun. If you look back on my earliest videos, you'll see that I was in my room, I was using this janky digital camera, and I was just chatting away, talking about all the random things, vlogging about all the random things I was doing as a college kid or young adult, young 20-something. It's weird when I look back at my videos, and like, I look different, I dress different, I talk different. It's amazing. I think that's one of the coolest things about YouTube, honestly, that you can see yourself in the past. I hope you don't mind that I'm like not zoomed in, you know, because the camera I'm using right now is a DJI Osmo, and we're kind of like working around it, honestly. Can't really zoom in very well. And besides, this isn't a tutorial anyways. I don't know if I even want you to zoom in and see exactly what I'm doing because it's probably not looking too hot. And the thing with like e-girl looks, they're so like over the top, I think, with the eyes, especially the liners. So I'm gonna go ham on this thing. Okay, now this is the part that we may or may not have picked up. That's okay. We're gonna put a liner anyways. I think I'm gonna use this Colourpop Jelly Much shadow, and this is called Hallucinogenius. Hallucinogenius. It was really hard to pronounce. And it looks like this. It's kind of like a holographic jelly shadow. So I'm going to be doing like a kind of like a holographic lid type of thing. If it turns out right, honestly. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Can you see that? Obviously, you're too far. You're not missing much. Oh, let's go there. So I'm just putting it on my inner corners too. Moving in the right direction. I am going to go in with a Bare Minerals Loose Shadow in Hyacinth. I'm just going to press this on. I'm sure you have very low expectations for this video. Now we're going to go for the liner. God bless. Let's see. And then I'm going to take this super cute Starlooks liner called Amethyst, and it's called a gem pencil. And if you're like, if you see my nails and they're all gross, that's okay, it's part of the look. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm not telling you guys what products I'm using, it's because I'll be either writing them down somewhere here or placing the information in the description box. So refer to the description box if you want to know what product I'm using, if you like how it looks. anyways. Goodness. Okay. For the blush, I'm going to be using like this Sunny's Air Blush in Raz. This is a cream blush. It's like a really kind of like raspberry red. And we're going to be going heavy on the blush here. I'm going to use the NARS Orgasm blush. And I'm going to put a lot of it. And then lots and lots of blush on the nose, apparently. And instead of a heart, I'm going to do like X. X, because we're rebels. And X used to be like a big thing back in the day, like in the emo punk world, where you would put like an X on your back of your hand. The Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit line, and I freaking love these lipsticks. They're amazing. So I'm going to start with the first one, kind of like an all-over color. It's called Nudist Peach. Rebel Rose on the outside of my lips to kind of define it a little bit more. Okay, this is the look. Let me just set my face with some powder and then finish off with some highlight. So I'm just gonna highlight this part because they love highlighting that, and then also my nose because they love highlighting that also, and then my Cupid's bow. Oh my god, this is so cute. Trying to fix like the hair a little bit in the back. This is the top part of the look. Let me just change into the actual clothes that I'm going to be wearing to really get the full feel of the e-girl look. Let me get myself put together a little bit more and I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is the final look. Do you like the look? I took a whole lot of pictures. I'm going to be posting it on my Instagram. It's maricarljanah, so check out the link in the description box. That is it for this look. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit the subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to ring that bell so you can get updates on when my next Trendy Girls series video is going to come up. I really hope that you like this video. This was not a tutorial. This was just like a transformation video, and I'm loving it. I've never really kind of dressed up like this before, and it's really interesting to see myself in different personas. So this was a lot of fun for me, so I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, let me know in the comments below what you thought, and that's it. I hope to see you again in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Bye!